Why can't a job alone make you rich? Imagine you have a good job. Every month, your paycheck arrives in your bank account on time. You get a yearly raise and sometimes even a bonus. From the outside, your life looks stable and secure. But after several years, you look at your finances and realize that you still haven't built significant wealth. The problem isn't having a job. The real problem is that most people work to earn money, but never learn how to turn that income into wealth. A job gives you income, but whether that income becomes wealth depends on the decisions you make. For example, if you earn $70,000 a year but spend every dollar, you'll have to start over with each paycheck. However, if you consistently invest part of your income, you can gradually build assets that generate additional income in the future. Now let's talk about time. Everyone has only 24 hours in a day. Employees usually earn money by trading their time for work. If you stop working, the income often stops too. That's why it's difficult to increase your earnings without limits by simply working more hours. On the other hand, some income sources can continue paying you long after they're created. A digital product, a successful online business, or long-term investments can generate income without requiring you to trade every hour for money. Another important factor is inflation. The money you have today may not buy the same amount in the future because prices usually increase over time. That's why simply keeping cash in a bank account may not always protect your purchasing power. For this reason, many financial experts recommend long-term investing. Of course, every investment carries risk, so it's important to understand those risks and choose investments that fit your personal financial situation. Now let's discuss a common mistake. Many people increase their spending whenever their salary goes up. They buy the latest phone, a more expensive car, or adopt a more luxurious lifestyle. There's nothing wrong with enjoying your success, but if higher spending replaces saving and investing, financial pressure can appear later. No matter how much you earn, if your expenses grow just as fast, building wealth becomes difficult. Let's also understand what an asset really is. Not everything you buy is an asset. Some things increase in value over time, while others lose value. Before making a purchase, ask yourself one simple question. Will this improve my financial future, or will it simply create another expense? That single question can help you make smarter financial decisions. Another key strategy is building multiple income streams. Many financially successful people don't rely on just one paycheck. They learn new skills, start small businesses, earn money online, or invest for the long term to create additional sources of income. This doesn't mean everyone should quit their job and become an entrepreneur. Instead, the goal should be to slowly build additional income while keeping your regular job. Financial education is equally important. Schools teach many subjects, but they rarely teach budgeting, saving, investing, managing risk, or long-term financial planning. Yet these are the skills that help people make smarter money decisions throughout life. Track your income and expenses every month. Reduce unnecessary spending. Build an emergency fund. Then create a long-term investment plan based on your financial goals. Remember, becoming wealthy isn't only about earning more money. It's about managing your money wisely. Someone with an average income and a solid long-term plan can build substantial wealth over time. At the same time, someone with a high income can still struggle financially if they don't manage their money well. So start today. Save a portion of every paycheck. Learn valuable new skills. Become financially informed. Build assets that can eventually work for you instead of always working for money. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of small, smart decisions made consistently over many years. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.